Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 3D printer under $600. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and I've included options for every type of customer. So if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Number 5. Brand name, Longer. 4.3-inch color touchscreen. Easy to operate, brand new, friendly to preview model and printing process on screen, offline printing. Say goodbye to the traditional manual knob screen. Better printing quality and durable with sturdy new frame. Stylish outlook. Resume printing after power loss. Filament runout detection system automatically suspends printing when the filament runs out. This 3D printer is hidden designed, power supply placed under the flatbed to ensure users' safety. And with the power of 280 watt, the heat bed temperature can up to 100 degrees Celsius within 4 minutes. 25% faster than other printers. Number 4. Brand name, KingRoon. 2.4-inch LCD touchscreen. Maximum working speed, 150 mm/s, and color print speed, 100 mm/s. It comes with several assembled parts. It is very easy to assemble the machine. The machine has the ability to resume printing even after a power outage or lapse occurs. Upgraded extruder greatly reduces plugging risk and bad extrusion. Precision guide rail make it move noiseless, smoothly, and long life service. Assisted bed leveling makes the process of setting up the print bed as easy as adjusting the nuts at the corner of the heat bed to raise or lower down the heat bed slightly. Number 3. Brand name, Artillery. Artillery Sidewinder X1 is a 3D printer for professionals and amateurs. SWX1 has a large construction volume of 300 x 300 x 400 mm designed to meet major challenges. More importantly, using Artillery Sidewinder X1 for printing is very simple, because the two recovery functions prevent any defects and faults caused by power outages and filament jitter. Control process and set parameters on touch screen. Enjoy easier and more successful 3D printing. Expandable filament holder, support 0.5 to 3 kg filament roll. Easy assembly, come 95% pre-assembled. FFC cabling system, tidy, good looking. Synchronized dual Z system, stabler X-axis, always level on both ends. Direct drive extruder with volcano nozzle, better control over fast extrusion. AC heated glass build platform, faster heating, 80 Celsius in 80 seconds, 110 Celsius in 130 seconds. Exclusive ultra-quiet stepper drivers. Patent pending Z-nut coupler, smoother Z movements. Number 2. Brand name, Flyingbear. The XY axis is driven by TMC 2208, with low noise and high precision. The printer uses a transparent BMG extruder, which is not only stable in feeding, but also easy for maintenance. Printer can connect to Wi-Fi, and it is more convenient to print with Wi-Fi. Maximum printing speed, 150 mm/s, and extruder temperature, maximum 260 degrees Celsius. Printer adopts 3.5-inch color touchscreen, larger screen to make operation more convenient and simple. With a filament loss resume function and a power resume function, there is no need to worry about filament runout or sudden power failure. Number 1. Brand name, Creality. The Creality Ender 3 Pro comes with a space-saving design. This makes it easy to fit your 3D printer on your desk. It's quiet, working noises don't bother you, so you can concentrate on your work even with your 3D printer in the same room. Use your Creality Ender 3 Pro easily and comfortably. Its display gives you all relevant information in real time. Create impressive and high-resolution 3D prints with this 3D printer. This tiny manufacturing machine works very precisely, also for additive manufacturing of fine details. After you received your Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer, you quickly and easily assemble it. You will be ready for your first 3D print in about 10 to 15 minutes. The assembly is also feasible for beginners. All you have to do is put in screws to get this 3D printer ready for use. A new state-of-the-art C-Mag magnetic sticker is designed for Ender 3 Pro. It is entirely removable, flexible and can better adhere to the platform. Once the model is finished printing, remove the magnetic upper from the lower and bend or flex the print surface to watch the model effortlessly pop off the printing surface. It must be surprising that more useful accessories included in our package. Extra parts can save you time while you need it, also cost-effective.